Doing a taste test. Got this at Walmart. It was under $3 at the time. It was on sale, I think. Or some of the things I got were on sale. Anyway, this is Nature Valley protein smoothie. I know it was protein. I just knew it was smoothie. Berry blend. Chewy bars. And you get 5 bars. Also, just so you know, there is a good amount of fiber in here. 19% of your daily. Okay. I mean, I do like things with fiber in them, but usually it's not one thing that's much. But I realize if it'll sit down. I thought this would be like a granola bar. It smells like good and then weird. Like it smells like blueberry yogurt. And then something else. I don't know. Try to see if there's nuts in here. I'm pretty sure there is. I think I know it smells weird now. Okay. Can't say it tastes good. No. It is the best protein bar I've had, but that's not a compliment. It's not as bad as the Special K protein bar was, the strawberry one. That was straight up strawberry covered. Cardboard. Horrible. But I don't know what it is. Companies are using to add the protein powder or whatever. Please find another way. It's god awful. Stop. It's not good. Would not get again. It's not horrible, but it tastes healthy. Like, I mean, like, it's not gonna kill me. I'm not gonna spit it out. But, no choice. Like I said, I did not know it was gonna be a protein bar. I just saw a smoothie and I was like, ooh, that looks good. It does. I've only had like 3 protein bars. No, wait, no, I have more than that. I had the Special K chocolate chip. I've had the Special K strawberry. I don't remember the other place. The other company I tried. That was strawberry. That was also strawberry chalk. I think this is the least offensive tasting, but yeah, it's not good. It's not something you're eating for enjoyment. You're eating it because it's better than the other trash. 2.5, 3 stars maybe on a good day. Like I said, not horrible, not offensive, but it ain't good. It ain't good. As for the smoothie thing, the only really good part of this is like that coating yogurt, whatever the fuck is on the back. That definitely helps because it adds sweetness. But yeah, it tastes like a granola nut-based bar, and a protein bar had a baby, and they just managed to cover up the horrible protein powder taste. Like, you'll still find hints of it, but they've covered up enough that you're like, okay, it's not. But can safely say, not getting again. Like I said, got it at Walmart if it interests you.